Bangladesh Students League stands for justice, peace and a free Palestine, and in solidarity with the ongoing global student movement. In the symphony of human story, where the echoes of oppression mingle with the melodies of freedom, students around the world rise as a beacon of hope, unwavering in our commitment to justice, peace and solidarity with the oppressed peoples of the world. Today, as the sun sets upon the lands of Palestine, casting shadows of injustice upon the hearts of its people, we stand in solemn solidarity with the global student movement, demanding an end to the war of the genocidal regime of Israel and the establishment of a free and independent Palestine. For too long, the Palestinian people have borne the burn of a brutal occupation. Their dreams of freedom shackled by the chains of oppression. From the rubble-strewn streets of Gaza to the olive groves of the West Bank, the cries of the oppressed echo through the corridors of power, demanding to be heard by a world too often deep to their suffering. Remember, it did not start from October 7th. The Bangladesh Students League, born from the crucible of our nation's freedom struggle, stands as a testament to the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. Our legacy is one of courage, sacrifice, and unwavering dedication to the principles of justice and equality. Just as our forefathers fought bravely for the liberation of our own land, so too do we stand with our Palestinian brothers and sisters in their struggle for freedom. In the hallowed halls of academia, the torchbearers of change have risen. From Columbia University to Tulane University, from the City University of New York to the University of California, students defy intimidation and repression, demanding divestment from the arms that fuel the machinery of oppression and genocide. Their courage is a beacon of hope, illuminating the path towards the world free from the shackles of war and conflict. We strongly condemn the forceful suppression of their rightful demand to divest from the apparatus of genocidal regime. The forcible exploitation of their settlements, coupled with a despicable assault on students and educators by security forces, flagrantly undermines the fundamental democratic principle of freedom of expression and assembly that we cherish. Students of these campuses are demonstrating the rejuvenating power of courage. This rejuvenating power is undermining the decade-long suppression of the Palestinian dream. As we gather in solidarity, let us heed the call for peace and justice that resonates across borders. Let us envision a world where the cries of the oppressed are heard, where the flames of resistance illuminate the darkest corners of tyranny. Let Palestine stand as a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity, a beacon of hope for a future founded on equality and justice. As we march forward, guided by the timeless wisdom of our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, we declare our unwavering allegiance to the oppressed. For it taught us that in a world divided between oppressors and the oppressed, our duty lies with the latter. In his footsteps, we tread steadfast in our commitment to justice, peace and solidarity. For he told us that our national liberation remains incomplete unless and until a free and independent Palestinian state is established. But our struggle does not end with the liberation of Palestine. It extends to every corner of the globe where injustice and oppression rear their ugly heads. From the war-torn lands to the refugee camps, the cries of the oppressed call out to us, demanding action, demanding justice. And yet, even as we fight against the injustice of today, we must also confront the challenges of tomorrow. Climate change, the great existential threat of our time, looms large on the horizon, threatening to engulf us all in its fiery embrace. But just as we have united in solidarity to fight against oppression and injustice, so too must we unite to confront this common enemy. To the leaders of the world, we say the time for action is now. The time to stand in solidarity with the oppressed, to fight for justice, peace and equality is now. Let us put aside our differences and come together as one, united in our determination to build a better world for all. The worthy daughter of the father of the nation, the architect of modern Bangladesh, in various international forums and platforms, she has consistently advocated for the interests of the Palestinian people. Following the ongoing onset of extensive violence and destruction in Gaza, Prime Minister Deshratna Sheikh Hasina promptly expressed strong opposition and immediately called for an end to the violence, declaring a ceasefire and urging for comprehensive international support for the immediate dispatch of aid, food, water and medical supplies, along with cessation of hostilities. In the spirit of this fraternity and solidarity, we call upon the international community to join hands in ending the reign of terror inflicted upon the Palestinian people. Let us